After a while, it is time for you guys to see me again with a bunch of hardware ready to be packed in a custom build. And today we're having Phantom Gaming Alliance between InWin and the ASRock, as well as Team Group. So, okay, I can't place everything in front, but I'll tell you everything about each component and what I'm going to use for this project. Now, currently, I'll start with this. I'm going to use a custom loop by EK Waterblocks, but I don't have all the parts necessary right here. But you can assume what color scheme it's going to be with the fittings and with the liquid going inside. So yeah, that's it. Now let's start with InWin. We have here the InWin 103 Phantom Gaming case, and it's basically a brilliant standard 103 with additional Phantom Gaming lines and the logo and everything, and the black edition really does look incredibly cool. Now inside that case I'm going to use 6 Sirius Loop fans from InWin as well. These are really nice. You might have seen them in the A1 that I did, so yeah, you might have noticed that. Here we have the InWin A65. This is 650 watts power supply, which is going to power up the whole build. And basically that is it when it comes to InWin. I'm going to do a separate video for the case with the review and everything, so you guys know how the interior looks like and all the specifications about it. So get to know a bit further and deeper about the case, and of course actually where to buy it afterwards. Now let's go with, I'm going to talk about ASRock as the main thing last. So here we have the Intel Core i9-9900KF, which is going to be a powerhouse for the build. As you can see, the motherboard already over here. But okay, you'll get everything explained very soon. Now next to this we have Team Group that joined as well, which I'm really satisfied to be working with them again, because they make some really incredible RAMs and SSDs, and with these they entered the Phantom Gaming Alliance as well. So here we have the XCALIBURs. You already seen review with the standard ones I did, well, it was actually a year ago or something like that. Now we have the XCALIBUR Phantom Gaming Edition, which they look incredible, and they have the RGB as well, so we can't miss that. These are 2 x 8 gigs, 3200 megahertz. And next to that, this is the first time I'm actually having a Team Group RGB SSD. Is it? Yeah, it is. And this is Delta RGB. This is also Phantom Gaming Edition, and we have this one. This is 2.5 inch, 250 gigs, and it says for motherboard with 5 volts ADD header. So you have a special header that is actually addressable RGB, so yeah, makes sense. Really cool to have this one as well. I'm going to make a special video for this, just for you guys to know they exist and to get more information as well. Now I presume you must be wondering why the RX 590 with 9900KF. Well, the thing is, since ASRock, InWin and Team Group and myself are trying to do something interesting with all the components, basically the components, they don't need to go together perfectly, because the custom build and everything I do usually is all about the looks and functionality when it comes to cooling, and you might have seen that on other builds that I did lately. Now with this build we're going to achieve the same, with adding more to performance, adding more to cooling and flexibility when it comes to placing stuff inside and stuff like that. So just to get the tone right for the Phantom Gaming Alliance, ASRock sent their Radeon RX 590 OC certified Phantom Gaming Edition with Polychron sync, and whatever you want to say, this graphic card is still cool. It does pack a punch, and this is what? This is 8 gigs GDDR5. nevertheless, but the graphic card looks brilliant. And the best thing, I'm sorry to everybody else, but the best thing is right over here. This is the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming X motherboard, which looks incredible. I've seen loads of motherboards and this one is just pure brilliant, and it's going to be really a pleasure placing this motherboard inside, placing a water block on it, doing all the pipes and everything inside. So yeah, guys, you'll see I'll create 2 work logs, of course, as always, on Linus Tech Tips forum and overclocked.net as well, and you'll see loads of pictures posts on my Instagram profile, link is below as always. So guys, stay tuned because I'll do volume 1, volume 2 time lapse, and you'll see everything. Well, you already know how I do things, so you know how it's going to end up. And that's all there is to it. I went through all the components for you guys to know which are going to be used in the custom build Phantom Gaming, and that's all. Links are below for you guys if you decide to check each of these products. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the future video and the progress of the Phantom Gaming custom build. So guys, thanks, see you next time, bye bye.